Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing some chili cheese burgers. I'm about to throw these patties in the oven. Oh, let me spray my pan first, y'all. Hold on. Let's get this right. Let me wash my hands real quick because I gotta touch on this meat, y'all. Tell me how y'all day is going. Leave me some comments down below on how y'all make y'all chili cheeseburgers or burgers in general. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my pan. Back up a little bit. Spray my pan for my burgers. I already got my oven set at 375. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my patties. Well, place my patties in my pan if I can get it out the bag. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven for about 45 minutes. I'll be checking them in between. And once I get these placed in the oven, I'll be back with y'all. Okay, y'all, got my burgers in my pan. I'm gonna go ahead and put some pepper. I already sprinkled a little bit of salt on there, so I'm gonna put some pepper on there. I'm about to throw these in the oven. Be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, I went on and put over some aluminum foil over my burgers so we can see how this goes. Okay, this is my second time trying this, so y'all bear with me. Let's see how this turn out. Hey y'all, okay, so I done got my burgers together here. They came out looking so tasty in my oven, and I'm cooking up some onions, red bell peppers, and green bell peppers. Okay, and I'm also starting on my chili right here. So I'm about to, do a little something. So y'all stay tuned for that. Be right back. Hey y'all. Alright y'all, I'm about to go ahead and get the toppings on this cheeseburger. I'm about to go ahead and put on my chili like so. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add on my other patty first. Go do the other patty first, like so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put on this ooey gooey nacho cheese. So here I come, y'all. I'm about to put on, loaded with this ooey gooey nacho cheese, like so. Yes, baby, I want that cheese to flow right on down that burger. Let's see. Okay. All right, y'all. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Let me go ahead and get these buns out of the oven. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and add just a tiny bit more chili on top of that, y'all. Just a little bit, just like that. And there we have it, our chili cheese burger. Actually, double chili cheeseburger. Okay, so as we have it, we'll go ahead and top it like so, and voila. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Also, leave me some comments down below on how y'all make y'all burgers. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, y'all, here is the second one. This one is called, it's going to be also a chili cheeseburger, but I'm using pepper jack, and it has all the works in it, okay? Okay, y'all, so let me go ahead and put this, okay, y'all, so this is going to be the second chili cheeseburger I'm doing with pepper jack. We're just gonna put that chili on there like so. Don't that look so good, y'all? Yes, baby. We have to melt that. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this cheese patty on there. That cheese looks so good right there. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put a little more chili on top of that, like so. Y'all gotta remember, this cheese is so thick and ooey gooey, y'all. Alright, y'all. There you have it. Chili pepper jack cheese burger. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.